Hi, my name is Shivam Khajuria. You guys know me better as Prem from Anupama, and you're watching Glitz and Spice Entertainment. So I'll answer a few questions. Let's see. Your first reaction when you were told about being finalized as Prem in Anupama. So basically, 2 days before I started this project, I didn't know about it, and it was just about that I'm gonna come in a DKP show, but the show wasn't revealed to me whether it was a new show or an ongoing show. So I was just excited to work with the team again. I loved working with them before in the past, and I think that was the best thing for me. So I didn't care about what projects it's gonna be and how it will be. So, but yeah, when I got to know that okay, it's Anupama, so obviously it was a surreal feeling, and I was so happy about it. And I just wish that I would work as hard as I can to make it work. Second is your working experience with Rupali ma'am. My working experience has been of utmost pleasure. She has been a wonderful human being to me, and as a performer also, there's so much to learn from her. You know, I just observe her and see her, and it's always a good learning process when there are so many experienced actors around you, and it enhances your skills actually. So it has been a pleasure, and it will be a pleasure throughout the journey. Your views on what made you sign Anupama as Prem? So I actually answered this question before because I didn't know that I'm signing Anupama. So I was just signing a DKP show, and because it's a mutual understanding and trust factor that is between me and DKP and vice versa. So that is why I think, or koi reason nahi hai. What your views on Romit Raj as Rohit in YRKKH since you played that character before? So I was playing Rohit before, but then Romit Bhai came and he's doing a wonderful job. He's such a nice human being. Whenever we meet, I didn't know him from before, but whenever we meet, it feels like we have known each other for years. And such an accommodating person, and he's doing it so well, and he has made his now people remember Romit Raj as Rohit. So that is what he has achieved, and it's a wonderful journey of his, and he's a wonderful person, wonderful person. People are liking your jodi with Adrija. Tell us about your first interaction with her. So my first interaction with her was on the first day when she came, and as you see her, I think you might have seen her in her vlogs also. She's so bubbly and so vibrant. तो वो वैसी ही है in real life also, and it's a good relationship that we have right now. We are like best friends, and we talk to each other all the time, and बहुत मज़ा आता है. Like, you know, she's very light to work with, and very कैसे I can't find the right word. I would say vibrant. She's very vibrant, very lively. वैसा. Do you feel the pressure to rebuild chemistry with Adrija after Alisha Parveen's exit? So my job is to play Prem and to play Prem to the best of my capabilities, and that is what I've been hired to do, to build chemistry. And touchwood, it has been built up so well right now, and I feel so at ease working with Adrija, and I think there's a nice chemistry between us. So we think about what we have to do in the scene, and so there's discussion going on all the time, and I think that in coming time you'll see more and more chemistry. Your thoughts on Rahi Prem fans. So my thoughts on Rahi Prem fans are thank you so much guys for loving us, for supporting us, for being entertained by us, and I would just like to thank you, to God, and all your wishes. I try to read as much as possible, and you guys are supporting us so much. Thank you so much. Dear Sara Pyar. Be happy, stay happy. Love you.